And this is out the back around the dam. Most of this grassland floods when the dam's full. So we sort of get an edge where all the vegetation is, and this grassed area with native grasses on it, which is nice, and the kangaroos love it. They sleep on it. But as I said, when the dam's full, it's underwater here where I'm standing right now. The reeds that have always flourished here at the entrance to the dam, where most of the runoff comes down this little creek that's formed over the years. I don't know if they're native or not, but they do a brilliant job of filtering all the water that comes down here. If there was nothing here for the water to run through as it went into the dam on the other side of these reeds, there'd be all sorts of stuff washed in. So we just get water, not much vegetation. Starting to recede. You can see where the kangaroos have hopped across. The fallen tree, which is also pretty much submerged, at least the base of it, when it's full. And these beautiful grasses that pop up. Someone's probably going to get on and tell you they're feral. You better get rid of them really quickly. But who knows? They do a lovely coverage job because not much grows out here, especially when it gets dry. That little willy wagtail tweeting in the background, he's very happy. Been catching bugs. I was watching him swooping around the dam.